Everyone, welcome to Webland, your place to explore the digital world. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of QR codes. You've probably seen these square patterns everywhere, from restaurant menus to product packaging and even on billboards. But have you ever wondered how they actually work? In this video, we'll break down the technology behind QR codes, explore their structure, and reveal the process that allows your smartphone to read them in seconds. Let's start by understanding what a QR code is and why it's become such a popular tool for sharing information quickly and efficiently. QR code, short for Quick Response Code, is a type of matrix barcode invented in 1994. Unlike traditional barcodes, which store data in a series of lines, QR codes use a grid of black and white squares to encode information. This design allows them to hold much more data and be scanned from any angle. QR codes can store website links, contact details, Wi-Fi passwords, and more. Their versatility and speed have made them a staple in both business and everyday life. Let's take a closer look at the structure of a QR code. Each code is made up of several key components: the position markers, alignment patterns, timing patterns, and the data itself. The three large squares in the corners help scanners quickly locate and orient the code. Smaller patterns throughout the grid ensure accurate reading, even if the code is slightly damaged or tilted. This clever design is what makes QR codes so reliable and easy to use. QR codes store information using a binary system. Each black or white square represents a bit of data. The arrangement of these squares encodes numbers, letters, or even entire sentences. The more data you want to store, the more complex the pattern becomes. This encoding method allows QR codes to be incredibly flexible, supporting everything from simple URLs to detailed business cards. You scan a QR code with your smartphone, the camera captures the image and software analyzes the pattern. It looks for the position markers to orient the code, then reads the arrangement of squares to decode the information. This process happens almost instantly, thanks to advanced algorithms built into your device. The decoded data is then displayed or used to perform an action, like opening a website or adding a contact. One of the most impressive features of QR codes is error correction. Even if part of the code is smudged or damaged, it can still be read correctly. This is possible because QR codes include extra data that helps reconstruct missing or corrupted parts. There are 4 levels of error correction, allowing up to 30% of the code to be restored. This makes QR codes highly reliable in real-world situations. There are several types of QR codes, each designed for different purposes. The most common is the static QR code, which stores fixed information. Dynamic QR codes, on the other hand, can be updated or tracked even after they're printed. There are also micro QR codes for smaller spaces and model codes for specialized uses. Understanding these types helps businesses choose the right QR code for their needs. Creating a QR code is easier than you might think. Online generators allow you to enter the information you want to encode, such as a URL or text. The generator then converts this data into the unique pattern of squares that make up the QR code. You can download the image and use it on websites, print materials, or products. The process is quick and doesn't require any special technical skills. QR codes have found their way into countless aspects of daily life. Businesses use them for marketing, payments, and product tracking. Restaurants display QR codes for digital menus, while event organizers use them for ticketing and check-ins. Even museums and tourist attractions use QR codes to provide extra information to visitors. Their convenience and versatility make them a go-to solution for sharing information quickly. One of the most transformative uses of QR codes is in mobile payments. Apps like Alipay and PayPal let users pay by simply scanning a QR code at checkout. This method is fast, secure, and doesn't require physical contact, making it especially popular during the pandemic. QR code payments are now common in stores, taxis, and even street markets around the world. QR codes are also used for secure authentication. For example, when logging into a website, you might scan a QR code with your phone to verify your identity. This adds an extra layer of security, as the code is unique and changes frequently. It's a simple yet effective way to protect sensitive information and prevent unauthorized access. Marketers love QR codes because they make it easy to connect with customers. By scanning a code on a poster or product, users can access special offers, videos, or websites instantly. This interactive approach boosts engagement and makes it easier for brands to track the effectiveness of their campaigns. QR codes bridge the gap between offline and online marketing. Logistics and supply chain management, QR codes help track products from the factory to the customer. Each item gets a unique code that stores information about its origin, destination, and status. Scanning the code updates the system in real time, improving efficiency and reducing errors. This technology is essential for modern inventory management. Healthcare providers use QR codes to streamline patient care. For example, a patient's wristband might have a QR code that links to their medical records. Doctors and nurses can scan the code to access important information instantly, reducing paperwork and minimizing mistakes. This use of QR codes helps improve patient safety and efficiency in hospitals. Sharing Wi-Fi passwords can be a hassle, but QR codes make it easy. Many routers now let you generate a QR code that stores your Wi-Fi credentials. Guests simply scan the code with their phone to connect instantly, no typing required. This feature is especially handy in cafes, hotels, and offices where visitors need quick access to the internet. Teachers and students are using QR codes to make learning more interactive. Educators can link codes to videos, quizzes, or extra resources, making it easy for students to access materials with a quick scan. This approach encourages engagement and helps students learn at their own pace, both in the classroom and at home. During the pandemic, contactless menus became essential for restaurants. QR codes printed on tables or walls let customers view menus on their phones, reducing the need for physical menus and minimizing contact. This simple solution helps keep both staff and customers safe while providing a modern dining experience. Transportation systems use QR codes for tickets and boarding passes. Passengers can buy tickets online and receive a QR code by email or app. At the station or airport, they simply scan the code to board. This process speeds up boarding, reduces paper waste, and makes travel more convenient for everyone. Brands use QR codes to help customers verify the authenticity of products. By scanning a code on the packaging, buyers can check if an item is genuine and learn more about its origin. This helps fight counterfeiting and builds trust between brands and consumers, especially for luxury goods and pharmaceuticals. Real estate agents use QR codes on property signs and brochures. Potential buyers can scan the code to view virtual tour, floor plans, or contact information. This makes it easier for buyers to get details instantly and helps agents reach more clients without extra paperwork. Event organizers use QR codes for tickets, check-ins, and even networking. Attendees receive a code that can be scanned at the entrance, speeding up the process and reducing lines. QR codes can also link to event schedules or speaker bios, making it easy for guests to stay informed throughout the event. Museums use QR codes to enhance visitor experiences. By scanning codes next to exhibits, visitors can access audio guides, videos, or detailed descriptions. This interactive approach makes learning more engaging and allows museums to share more information without cluttering displays. Digital business cards often include QR codes that link to contact details, websites, or portfolios. Instead of exchanging paper cards, professionals can simply scan each other's codes to save information instantly. This modern approach is eco-friendly and ensures contacts are always up to date. Advertisers use QR codes on posters, billboards, and product packaging to drive engagement. Scanning a code can lead to special offers, videos, or interactive experiences. This makes ads more dynamic and measurable, helping brands connect with their audience in new ways. Retailers use QR codes for product information, discounts, and loyalty programs. Shoppers can scan codes on shelves or tags to learn more about products or access exclusive deals. This enhances the shopping experience and helps stores gather valuable customer data. Social media platforms let users create QR codes that link directly to their profiles. This makes it easy to share your account with friends or followers. Just scan the code, and you're instantly connected. It's a simple way to grow your network and stay in touch. Cities and public spaces use QR codes to provide information about landmarks, transportation, or emergency contacts. Tourists can scan codes to access maps, historical facts, or directions, making it easier to explore new places and stay informed. Businesses often use QR codes to collect customer feedback. After a purchase or service, customers can scan a code to fill out a quick survey. This makes it easy for companies to gather opinions and improve their products or services. While QR codes are convenient, it's important to consider privacy. Some codes can link to malicious websites or collect personal data. Always be cautious when scanning codes from unknown sources and use trusted apps to protect your information. As technology evolves, QR codes are likely to become even more integrated into our daily lives. From augmented reality experiences to advanced security features, the possibilities are endless. QR codes have already transformed how we share and access information, and their journey is just beginning. Thanks for joining us as we explored how QR codes work and why they matter in today's digital world.